News since 6 o'clock, Springfield's minority community is publicly opposing the mayor's proposal to lower the qualifications to be the city's fire commissioner. Earlier this month, Mayor Dominic Sarno proposed changes that would require the permanent fire commissioner to have a minimum associate's degree in fire sciences and at least 2 years' experience as a deputy chief. That would replace the current minimum requirements of a master's degree and at least 7 years' experience as deputy chief. Under the proposed changes, the current acting commissioner, Joseph Conant, would qualify for the permanent position. NAACP Springfield branch president Talbert Swan said this smacks of favoritism and unfairness.
Detailing our concerns with his proposal.
And this policy sends a message that it's less important to become qualified for a position or to seek academic achievement than it is to posture for political favors when seeking employment with the city of Springfield.
Reverend Swan said he is waiting for a reply to the letter that he sent to Mayor Sarno. The Springfield City Council has not yet acted on the